how you can actually show your full screen on your videos, just like this one. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to show your full screen on your videos. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video from the start to the end. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so that other people can actually benefit more from this. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 2 different steps on how you can show your full screen on your videos and as well show your work in your phone for people to see what you are teaching them. Now, the first thing you have to do is to screen record the work that you want to show on the screen. Next, upload the screen recorded video as an overlaid video. Make sure the overlaid video starts and ends where you want it to start and end, or where you want it to appear on the screen. The next thing we are going to do now is to crop out the upper part of the video, just like this I'm doing right now. After that, we are going to resize the overlaid video by using our 2 fingers and then drag it to wherever you want it to be on the screen. Now, the next thing you have to do next is to look for stickers. Click on it and scroll on the toolbar and look for a sticker that looks like a television. Click on it to select a sticker that looks like a phone. When it loads up, you're going to drag it to the end of the overlaid video. Next, you're going to make sure that the sticker aligns with the overlaid video on top, just like this I'm doing right now. Now, you're going to increase it to match with the overlaid video. After that, the next thing is to click on Mask and select Triangle. This will allow the overlaid video to fit into the full sticker so that it will look like it is actually on a phone. The next thing you're going to do next is to give the overlay video a curve so that it fits into the phone. And that is it for this tutorial. Now, the second step is for you to firstly shoot your video, then edit it completely from the beginning to the end. After that, you have to export the video. The next thing you're going to do now is to click on New Project and bring in the edited video, as you can see right here. Now, click on the video just like this I'm doing right now, and we are going to push it in by using our 2 fingers to minimize it inside a bit. Next is to look for stickers on the toolbar. Click on it and search for full stickers. Click on it. Once it loads up, you are going to drag it from the beginning to the end of your video. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to make the full stickers big and then turn it around to be in a horizontal form. So now this is it, but not make sure it fits in and is not blocked anywhere. That is your words or something you want to show on the screen. Next, export the video. Once that is done, what we are going to do now is to add the video, the exported video, just like this I'm doing right now. We are going to add it as a video, not as an overlay. We are not going to be clicking overlay. All you have to do now is to just zoom it out. Now, this is the video and this is the exported video. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. See you guys in our next video. Bye.